What's going on? In this video, I wanted to share with you a case study of a custom feature that I was able to help create with a client. And it was actually when the client came with this idea, I thought it was very unique and a very good idea. So I'm happy to share this with you. So if you look here on the search results here for the products, you notice here that this product is on sale. But you can see here this custom banner that we were able to create. You see this the price tag here, and then it has that price. This might seem small, but this is actually very unique and it's very helpful. By adding this custom banner here that we were able to create, you actually are able to help the customer to see that this specific product is on sale and it's drawing to their eye. Because if this banner wasn't here and it was just $5 off, maybe it was in bold red, it wouldn't be as prominent. So if I'm looking at it, wouldn't be as prominent as a customer. That wouldn't really bring that sense of urgency. But because you have this custom sticker or this custom banner here, you have that price tag. So now it becomes more prominent. Now I see, okay, this is $5 out. This is $5 off. Let me check it out. So this was a small feature, but it's very helpful and it's very useful if you're looking to make certain products stand out, especially if you're having a sale. Maybe some products they're becoming less and less in stock and you want to make that known. Add a custom banner like this just to make certain products stand out, especially ones that you're looking to sell. So again, I had a wonderful time with this client building this feature. And look for little things like this. When you're looking on Shopify stores, you find if it catches your eye, then think about how it can catch your customer's eye. So in this case, with this custom banner, look at how it can catch my eye as a potential customer. You see this banner, now it makes me click on the product. If I like the product, I can add it to my cart. Now you have a sale. So I just wanted to quickly give you this quick case study of this custom banner that I was able to help create. If you're interested in making something like this, please feel free to reach out, whether it's something like this, maybe something custom that you saw on another website, you want to add it to your website, please feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to work with you on creating this custom feature for your store. Once again, I just wanted to quickly share this with you, and I hope this video was helpful.